So now we're going to have some test questions, and pause the video and let me know if you got the answer right. Okay, now we're going to be starting the practice questions. So I've changed up the lines that we're going to be looking at. As you can see, the entire figure looks different, and I've also hidden the different types of angle pairs and what congruent and supplementary mean. So make sure you study and look back at your notes and try doing this part without looking at your notes. And I'm sure all of you will do great. And if you get any questions wrong, just go back to the start of the video and just keep practicing. So the first question is, what is a transversal? So tell me the meaning in your own words. And which colored line in this image is a transversal? So say that, think of it, and pause the video, and I'll come up with the answers. Okay, so here is the answer to the first question. A transversal is a line that cuts through a set of parallel lines. So if you said that, then you get this first part of the question correct. And the second part of the question was, which colored line is a transversal? In this case, the purple line was a transversal because this purple line, as you can see here, cut through this set of parallel lines, and you know that it cut through it because it is not a parallel line and it created points of intersection. So if you said that, then you get this question correct. Good job. Now let's move on to the next question. Okay, this next question is going to be a little bit trickier. So yellow goes with yellow and green goes with green. And so you have to figure out what type of angle type the green angles are and what angle type the yellow angles are showing. So pause the video and come back when you're ready. So the answers were that the yellow angles showed same side interior angles. This is because they are on the same side. Both of them are on this side, and they are both on the interior of the parallel lines. And the green angles showed corresponding angle pair because they are both having the same pattern. If you look carefully, one of them is like this. It's creating this shape and it's on the right side of and top of the line. And the same thing goes here. You go down, draw a right line. It's on the top and the right side of the line. So these two are corresponding, and as you can tell, they also look very similar. So bonus question, which I'll write down. Okay, I put the bonus question up here, so pause the video and answer. So the answers are here. So for the yellow pairs, since it was same side interior, like I said, when they are on the same side of the line, they add up to 180 degrees because they're supplementary, and the green angle pairs are congruent, which means that they're the same and will have the same degree measure because they're corresponding, so they are the same. And if you are a little bit confused, you can go back to the start of the video where I explained whether they're supplementary or congruent in depth. So now we're going to move on to the last question. The last question is, where can I draw alternate exterior angles? There are two correct answers, so please say both of them and just touch your screen to show where you think the angles would go. There's two answers, like I said before, so try to get both of them correct. Try to do both. And remember how I broke down the word to remember the meaning. So I'm going to pause. So pause the video and you can get back to this. So one of the correct answers is in red, and I drew it on the image. So these are alternate exterior because they're both on the outside of the parallel lines and they're on different sides. And the other example would be these two because, as I said before, they both are on the outside of the parallel lines and they're on different sides. And yep. So we're done with the test. And one more thing, just if you would like to write your notes, this is a great thing to write about in your notebook or wherever you're keeping your notes. Additionally, I would draw examples in color code how each one of the angle types would look and try to familiarize yourself with them. And remember using the definitions from the actual words like alternate exterior, meaning alternate meaning different sides, exterior meaning outside, to help you decode the meaning. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please, please, please put in the comments if you have any other math or even science topics that you would like me to go over. I like to send the videos over whichever you guys are interested in or are struggling to learn out like this video. I'm going to make it in depth. Any other videos that you guys have, I'm going to make them interactive, fun, and tell you tips and tricks that I have myself. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed this video, please consider liking or subscribing as it would really help this channel grow, and I would be really grateful for you to join this community. So, thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.